Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to show you how to use your Disney Plus voucher from Globe. Let's get started. First open your browser and go to the search engine. Type disneyplus.com/redeem and hit search. Now you will see the redeem your code page. There's a space provided. Enter your voucher code and once done, click apply code. After a moment, you will be redirected to the main page. If you are not already logged in, it will ask you to sign in. You can also download the Disney Plus app by clicking the Download Disney Plus button for easy access. And that's it. That's how you use your Disney Plus voucher from Globe. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials.